Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video we'll be continuing on with part 2 of how to draw cartoon eyes. So let's get into it. For this next set we're going to be using big circles, and then we could put in smaller circles on the inside right here. And then for the one on the bottom, same thing. The only difference is we're going to be putting in the highlights. And you can see just with that little addition, it makes it different. Okay guys, so on to the next set. And you'll see it's going to kind of be a combination, but you'll see what we're talking about as we go through here. So we're going to start off with big oval-like shapes, just like that. And if you look to the left, the eyes on the left, we're going to kind of put those smaller oval shapes in the bigger ovals. And you can see we created a whole new set of eyes using that combination. And that is what we're going to do for the rest, using the eyes on the left. And just with the highlights, you can see how it make each of them really different. Alright guys, so we finished with our set of eyes for part 2. In part 3 we will be doing our final set. But we hope you guys learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.